Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about Pareto chart, your go-to tool for identifying key failures. Let's jump right into it. Pareto chart, your go-to tool for identifying key failures. What is a Pareto chart? A Pareto chart is a visual representation of data that ranks categories by frequency or impact. It combines a bar graph and a line graph to show both the individual values and the cumulative total. The bars are arranged in descending order of frequency, and the line graph represents the cumulative percentage. Key components of a Pareto chart. Vertical axis represents the frequency or impact of each category. Horizontal axis lists the categories in descending order of frequency or impact. Bars represent the individual values of each category. Line graph shows the cumulative percentage of the total. Uses of Pareto charts. Pareto charts are versatile tools with a wide range of applications. Here are some common uses. Identifying key problems. By visualizing the most frequent or impactful issues, Pareto charts help prioritize corrective actions. For example, in a manufacturing process, a Pareto chart can identify the top few defects causing the most downtime. Prioritizing improvement efforts. Focusing on the vital few categories can yield significant results with minimal effort. For instance, in a customer service department, a Pareto chart can highlight the most common customer complaints, allowing for targeted improvements. Tracking progress over time. By creating multiple Pareto charts at different intervals, you can monitor progress and measure the impact of improvement initiatives. For example, a healthcare facility can track patient satisfaction ratings over time to identify trends and areas for improvement. Root cause analysis. Pareto charts can help identify the root causes of problems by revealing underlying patterns and relationships. For example, in a supply chain, a Pareto chart can pinpoint the primary reasons for delays or stockouts. How to create a Pareto chart. Collect data. Gather relevant data, such as defect types, customer complaints, or sales figures. Categorize data. Organize the data into meaningful categories. Calculate frequencies. Determine the frequency or impact of each category. Rank categories. Sort the categories in descending order of frequency or impact. Create the chart. Use a spreadsheet or specialized software to create the Pareto chart. Analyze the chart. Identify the vital few categories that contribute to the majority of the problem. Take action. Develop and implement improvement plans to address the key issues. Understanding the 80-20 rule. Before diving into Pareto charts, let's revisit the 80-20 rule, often referred to as the Pareto principle. It states that 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. This principle is a powerful tool for prioritizing efforts and identifying areas for improvement. Conclusion. The Pareto chart is more than just a visualization tool. It's a strategic ally in problem solving. By applying the 80-20 rule, you can identify key failures, prioritize effectively, and drive meaningful results in any domain. Start using Pareto charts today to unlock the potential of focused, data-driven decision-making. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.